Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw Bitcoin from crypto.com to another wallet. So in order to withdraw Bitcoin from another wallet on your crypto.com, all you have to do is make sure that you have the wallet address first of all, and also make sure that you have enough funds. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, launch your crypto.com, and once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the interface that looks something like this. So right on this page, you'll need to first of all tap the transfer button located in the top right hand side, and once you do that, the drop down menu appears. From the list, you need to click on withdraw. As soon as you click on the withdrawal button, once again there will be some sort of confirmation. So once you tap on it, you'll be able to see multiple options. So from the list, you'll need to go ahead and tap on external wallet. After you're done tapping on the external wallet, here you'll be asked to provide in the wallet address. So type in the wallet address, or you can also simply scan the QR code. After that, you need to enter the exact amount of Bitcoin that you wish to withdraw and tap the withdrawal button located right in the corner. Once again, there will be some sort of confirmation, so here as well you need to go ahead and tap the withdrawal button. And lastly, you'll need to go through the confirmation. So in order to do that procedure, go through it all and click the confirm button. As soon as you do that, you'll be notified within no time that you've successfully transferred Bitcoin from crypto.com to another wallet. So in this way, you can do the procedure. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.